We are in the rare birds exhibit. Oh, it's really cool. Really cool in here. Over on this side though, I wanted to show you. There's the wild turkey. There's the biggest vulture in the world. And over here, it's called a cassowary. I thought it was a dodo, but it's a cassowary, and they're really mean. They'll get ya. They're very tall. And it's really cool in here. There's a skeleton of a dinosaur bird. Let me show you this cassowary, and this is really what size they are. This is a, what's it called? Let me look. It's called a albatross. It's an albatross. Anyway, I'm gonna look at these birds and see what they are. That's real nice.